Okay, so y'all know I kind of broke up with cauliflower. I kicked it to the curb. I said bye boo. And I kind of started courting the radish. You know, y'all have seen a couple recipes that I did, but I'm kind of two-timing on the radish with another low-carb vegetable. Join me to see what it is. That mystery vegetable is the turnip. Go ahead and grab yourself 5 turnips. We're gonna wash them really good, get them nice and clean. And notice that I am patting them dry. Go ahead and grab your vegetable peeler and start peeling these bad boys. We can see that they're this gorgeous white color. A cup of raw turnips, 36.4 calories, 8 grams of carbs, but don't worry, 2 grams of fiber, yielding us 6 net carbs. Now, where do you buy turnips? Of course, you all know that I'm bougie on a bayou. You can get these bad boys at Kroger. You can get these bad boys at Walmart. Just look in that produce section. Now, I'm not even going to tell you to chop these evenly because these are going to be mashed. So my rule for you is to chop them super, super small. You can see I have a huge pot of boiling water on the stove. We're going to need that in a few. Now, continue to chop those turnips. Yes, yes, yes. This is going to be super delicious. And you are going to place these in the boiling water. Hey, shout out to my daughter for filming this. And if you see that little pizza in the background, y'all know I did a video on that. I'm going to link the recipe up above and below. Then we're going to cover these and boil them for a long time, about 25 to 30 minutes. Now go ahead and drain your turnips and we're going to return them back to the stove. And here's where the magic happens. Go ahead and add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is what's going to give it that creaminess. 2 tablespoons of butter. And y'all know I love Kerrygold. And of course, is at Walmart. And you see that I use a lot of great value products. Y'all, this ain't the fancy schmancy kitchen. This is the bougie on a bayou low carb kitchen. 2 ounces of cream cheese we add to this. Now, could you add more? You could. I'd like to start off with 2 ounces, but experiment with what works with you. And I did do a little bit of doozy. I ran out of my favorite salt, the Redmond Real Salt, and I just kind of grabbed a McCormick salt. You know, the Redmond Real Salt really adds this amazing robust flavor, about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. Grab that potato masher and you're just going to mash it until it's creamy and it really gives you that mashed potato feel. Load it up with some cheese. And if you were too busy laughing and missed the recipe, make sure to scroll below. I'll have it for you. And also a bonus, I have an awesome 7-day low carb menu that you can download. And for more low carb and laughter on a bougie bayou budget, you subscribe. Thanks, gang. Love to all.